and welcome back to SS Text and Creation YouTube channel. And today in this video we'll see how to remove .index from URL in Codeigniter. Okay, we have seen previous video. If you have not seen the previous video how to create your custom controller, and that video in description there will be the link of that video. You can see that video, and after that you can see this video also. Okay, then we have created our custom controller. That name was testing, and when we have run in a browser, then we can see we have used a .index.php. After that we have written our controller name. Okay, then only our this controller has been done. When I remove this, what happened, I will just show you. It show not found, means it is not working when I remove the index.php. So when I just pull that, then you can see it is working. Our custom controller are working. Then how to remove this index.php? Okay, first of all we have to, okay, here I have to go in Codeigniter. Okay, there's a htaccess file. Okay, I'll just go open that file. Maybe here it is not inside the application folder only. Inside the application folder there is htaccess file. Okay, I'll just go here. Okay, htaccess files URL. Here also you can copy, but I want to just go here documentation. Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, I got it. You have to go here. You can see removing the index.php file, and you can see we have to just copy this part. Okay, this part I'll just copy, and I will go in my htaccess file, and I just control all and paste. I will paste this new, and I just save that file. And again, okay, there's not other things. Okay, without that, okay, again I will go in my browser and I will just refresh. It's working, but I want to check without it should be work without index.php. Now also it's not working. Why? Because maybe in config there is some you can see there's the index.php. I just need to remove this in config folder. Okay, I'll just save this file. Again I'll just try to, again it is not working. Why it's not working? Then what exactly do? I'll just close this file htaccess. Then I'll go in a folder, sorry man, this is our project. In application folder I will go inside that, and I'll just cut that htaccess file and go and paste outside the application folder. Okay, and then again I go here, and again I refresh the page. Now you can see this is working now. Okay, means by using this way I have removed the index.php. If I put the index.php, then also maybe it will be work. Yeah, then also it will be work. And when I remove this, then also you can say index file is working. You can say by using this way you can remove the index.php, can say from the URL in Codeigniter. And thank you so much for watching my video. And how was this video? It was helpful for you? If it is helpful, then comment me below, and don't forget to like this video if you get some idea how exactly this can be work or this can be done. So then don't forget to like the video, and till then, bye and take care.